Yay, damn, we're going to garage. What I'm doing today is I'm just going to modify my pad for when I do a subframe. It worked really well, but what I really want is I need to double it up. So what I'm doing now is taking my original piece here, and I'm going to go ahead and beef it up. I'm going to drill this one completely through, and then I'm going to go ahead and take another piece that I got, and I'm going to put it right on top. So now the shaft on that jack stand will go all the way through, and now I've got inch and a half of flexibility, and that'll be able to sit right on like so. We'll put this one on top of here like so, and I can just put it right on the jack stand. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Basically just a modification because I like it worked awesome for what I needed to do. Can't do that yet. I still got to screw this one to this one. First I need to finish drilling this hole through here. Yeah, sometimes you got to build your own stuff to do what you need to do. It's not commercially made. But if you find something that's commercially made, you can modify it, right? Give me my two. A good inch and a half play there. I was hoping. All right. So with that said, now let's get our next 2x4 on here. Okay, so point right now I got it marked where I need it. Double up my plywood, or 2x4 should I say, and then my marks where I need them here, and then we're going to. I'm using sheet metal screws, long ones. Let's see. Put those on the outside. On the ends, some really long ones. They'll flush, and then they go in. Going to go through all of it into both pieces. All right, so all right. Beautiful as one. My other. Actually, use a couple of those. No. Then put it back over. About here. There we go. Alright. There we are. Now that's how I make my subframe base. Alright. And then it's gonna sit right on that where I want it. And then we can go from there. Okay. Alright, so here you go. Here's my here's my Pittsburgh. Now take my homemade subframe plate. Slide it right on there. There you go. I got my plate. I go right into the subframe. There's enough width for it to hold it forward and backwards. Yeah, it's within that, but that's the way I wanted it. So now what's racking back and forth is this. You're not going to have to worry about the wood failing and splitting. So the way I wanted that. Okay, so there we go. There's my subframe plate. If I need it any wider, I can always put a wider piece of plywood on it, and then go from there. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Crosby's Garage